Happy Halloween. Leave now while you still can.
Leave now before Master finds you.
Who is that knocking at my door? Who is that knocking at my door? Who is that knocking at my door? Be gone with you.
Man lives in the sunlit world of what he believes to be reality. But there is, unseen by most, an underworld, a place that is just as real, but not as brightly lit. A dark side.
Well, that was the opening to our show with Ministry. Every day is Halloween. It kind of became like my theme song for a while. It's something I love. This is why I love doing this. I love everything creepy and disturbing and weird and freaky. You know, I love the dark side. There's nothing else I could say. That just. I think that song kind of summed it all up. And thanks for everybody listening. Okay. I think we're going to keep this show going. I don't think you guys want to listen to me bullshit you all night. So, anyway, here's our next song. This is one of my favorite bands. This is Switchblade Symphony and their classic Clown. Here on Sounds from the Dark Side. Enjoy.
Here you sit in your high-back chair, wonder how the view is from there. You wouldn't know, 'cause I like to sit up on the floor, yeah, up on the floor. If you like, we could play a game. Let's pretend that we are the same, but you will have to look much closer than you do, closer than you do. And I'm far too tired to stay here anymore, and I don't care what you think anyway, 'cause I think you were wrong about me. Yeah, what if you were? What if you were? And what if I'm a snowstorm running? What if I'm a world underneath? What if I'm an ocean far too shallow, much too deep? What if I'm the kindest demon, something you may not believe in? What if I'm a siren singing into her to sleep? I know you got it figured out. Tell me what I am all about, and I just might learn a thing or two. Wondered about you, maybe about you. I'm the end of your telescope. I don't change just to suit your vision, 'cause I am bound by a fraying rope around my hands, tied around my hands. And you close your eyes when I say I'm breaking free, and put your hands over both your hips, because you cannot stand to believe I'm not the perfect girl you thought. Well, what have I got to lose? And what if I'm a weeping willow, laughing tears upon my pillow? What if I'm a socialite who wants to be alone? What if I'm a toothless leopard? What if I'm a shoeless shepherd? What if I'm an angel without wings to take me home? You don't know me, never will, never will. I'm outside your picture frame, and the glass is breaking now. You can't see me, never will, never will. If you're never gonna see, what if I'm a crowded desert, too much pain with little pleasure? What if I'm the nicest place you'd never want to go? What if I don't know who I am? Will that keep us both from trying to find out when you have been sure to let me know? What if I'm a snowstorm burning? What if I'm a world underneath? What if I'm an ocean far too shallow, much too deep? What if I'm the kindest demon, something you may not believe in? What if I'm a siren singing gentlemen to sleep? Sleep, sleep.
Well, that was Emily Autumn with What If? And little short things to kind of give you the creeps, which I love doing that. I love doing this. It's so much fun. You know, and these shows go by so fast. I mean, I can't believe it. I already only have 10 minutes left, so I barely have time to do any more songs. Like okay, I'm gonna just stop bullshitting you, and I'm just gonna jump into the next song. This is Area with Badless. So let's rock out, kids.
Somehow it feels I'm getting more frustrated with every tongue-tied, wild-eyed, overrated, narcissistic, self-absorbed spawn of Generation Lord. Wanna see you vulnerable? I am not your equal. Ruling with an iron fisting, you are on my bad list. Routine, casualty, razor sharp, beauty queen, bridges built, bridges burned. You will get what you deserve. What did they do? Made me so awful. Why do you say the stupid things you do? The ones you hurt, I hope they hurt you. The things you've done will eat away at you. And now I think I'm done caring. Too many mind games, self-obsessed, overbearing, misogynistic, plastic hearts. Can't wait to see you torn apart. Wanna see you vulnerable? I am not your equal. Ruling with an iron fisting, you are on my bad list. Routine, casualty, razor sharp, beauty queen, bridges built, bridges burned. You will get what you deserve. What did they do? Made you so awful. Why do you say the stupid things you do? The ones you hurt, I hope they hurt you. The things you've done will eat away at you. What did they do? Made you so awful. Why do you say the stupid things you do? The ones you hurt, I hope they hurt you. The things you've done will eat away at you. What did they do? Made you so awful. Why do you say the stupid things you do? The ones you hurt, I hope they hurt you. The things you've done will eat away at you. What did they do? Made you so awful. Why do you say the stupid things you do? The ones you hurt, I hope they hurt you. The things you've done will eat away at you. The things you've done will eat away at you. The things you've done will eat away at you.
think we are? I'm machinery with a semi-automatic heart. I'm unclassified. I terminate, I tear apart. I'm always there when you think I'm not. I'm razor sharp and I'm white and hot. My finger squeezes off the final shot. Say goodbye. No integrity. No conscience, I'm just so but I'm insanity. I'm a camouflage boulevard. I don't some things I really can't describe. I made some miles over pretty wide. And I'm a license treated bona fide. Say goodbye. Who do you think we are? Special forces in an armored car. Who do you think we are? We don't care. We don't care. I'm carnivorous. Can't count the flesh that I've been through. Never sick of this. I'm red and white and black and blue. I'm always there when you think I'm not. I'm razor sharp and I'm white and hot. My finger squeezes off the final shot. Say goodbye. Who do you think we are? Special forces in an armored car. Who do you think we are? We don't care. We don't care. Do you think we are? Who do you think we are? We don't care. Who do you think we are? Who do you think we are? We just don't care. Who do you think we are? Who do you think we are? No, 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 we just don't care. Who do you think we are? We don't care. Who do you think we are? 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 Who do you think we are?
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird won't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.